Right, I'm out on my road bike again today on a trip around the valley. It's pretty wet and blowy, but I haven't been out for a few days now due to the weather, so I had to come out anyway. I had to pull in to do a camera shot because the wind is too loud. I'm about a mile in front of Pingarrig Dam on the main road, and there's a little bridge. There's a railway bridge down there. I've had a bit of a trouble. Them handlebars I bought off eBay, the stem snapped, so I've had to go back to my other ones now. And don't know how it'll go today because I haven't ridden it yet. As usual, the track will be on Mio. And oh yeah, I bought a stem off eBay for my other handlebars and it cracked through. Thank God it didn't break right off, but goes to show, what would you buy on eBay? The handlebars are okay, but the stem was a bit dodgy. Right, I'll video when I get a bit further up. I don't know if I'll be able to video on the bike this time unless it dries up a bit. Over. The top down, running over. As usual, I'm heading up the far end of it, but the rain's too hard to video while I'm riding. There's a bit of riding as much as I can video, I think. I'll be falling over otherwise. Zigzag again. Well, I've had to pull in a trumpeg because it's so rough. So there's not a lot left of the place, is there? Man, it is rough. I'm pulled in by a tree. So this is just a short little bit of a stop to say what's going on. Well, I don't know, can you hear this? It's absolutely pissing down. I'm soaked, fucking soaked. Never mind. Once you're out, you're pretty warm when you're riding. But I have to be honest, this is pretty wet. I don't know, does it do it justice on the camera or not? It's raining so hard, it's stinging your face. Feeling pretty good though. Surprisingly better than I thought.